Oho. It's a foil. Looks like original.
Original packaging. Not even touched.
Wow. So it's brand new.
It's brand spanking new. Let's check. Мне интересно. I'm already convinced to open. Price. What you think to order another one like that?
I will have to. What's supposed to be inside? There is.
Now we will gonna see
There's
what is
pictures.
inside. Now we will see what is going to be inside.
Wow. Is that supposed to be inside in the small package? Even book.
Zepter recipe book. That's what is in. Let's check. No.
Half. This is that. Good quality.
Не знаю. I don't know. Let's check. Order. No, now we have full proper set of zepter. That's quite.
What's the yellow? Orange.
Orange. It's suction cup.
For what?
I don't know, for something. Let's check then what is on the bottom.
There is nothing.
On the bottom is nothing. It's just I think it's for salads. That's for salad. Sounds not like original, to be honest. Oh,
This should have
sorry. That's
heavy.
for solid. That is solid.
It's original.
Yes.
We can bargain.
That's solid. Honestly. 5-liter bowls. One even measuring cup inside. That's a bargain. You got the bargain. Bounce. Another.
This is small one for milk, I think. A small how this.
Wow.
And this one heavy.
They are heavy.
Oh.
And their weight is like they supposed to be. Plus build quality, I can tell, is amazing.
So it's not Chinese.
No, it's original.
German. Even tags have.
It's brand new kit. Oh. That's wow. You will probably not gonna need box. All these dishes are gonna go there. Apart this. Oh,
That's heavy.
that's heavy palm. That's heavy palm. Very heavy.
This is, I think, on sticking.
No? Have a look. Couple of kilo at least.
2
definitely.
liters.
Couple of kilo, definitely. No, here is all this. That's for this one. Huh?
That's for milk. I think.
You can boil whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you want. Here is totally whole. Another.
It's not missing one.
No. What is inside? No. No. We've got a real bargain.
I see there's something. For what is this?
That's put on table. Put on table.
Oh, another one, smaller one.
This one here. This one here. For this one. For this one going.
For 180 pounds.
130 pounds.
130 pounds.
130. 140 pounds.
With delivery.
With free delivery. That's underneath.
Yeah, this is for salad.
That's for salad.
And book.
That's supposed to be for something. What else?
That's it.
No. This.
For fry.
I think it's for frying. Or for frying or for... Let's check.
18 piece. And we had 11.
That's wow. Yeah, I think need to order another one.
Oh, recipe book.
No? Oh, it's not. It's for soup. Oh, you have totally whole set. Whole perfect set you have. For this price. What we paid. That's original price. What is on website?
11 large. So we get 18 piece, not 11.
Why? No. Yeah, here is 18 piece. No? Wait. One is missing, I think. This is missing.
So that means 18. Yeah, 11.
Here, like that. This bowl. But on this don't have with holes. Maybe something else here. Because on picture I see it. This with holes. On picture I see it with holes. Need to check. Because I think